Dear folks, today I've got my hands on new Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, the mid-range phone that's tougher than your last relationship. Priced at $21,000, it's here to prove that you don't need to sell a kidney for a premium experience. Now let's break it down and see what it's all about. Unboxing this feels like a eco-friendly therapy. Inside you get the phone, a USB-C cable, SIM tool, and wait for it, a 68-watt charger. Yes, in 2025, that's like finding a unicorn in your cereal box. The phone itself flaunts a vegan leather back and curved glass edges. At 180 grams, it's light enough to forget it's in your pocket, but tough enough to survive drops, dust, and water thanks to military standard 810H and IP68 and IP69 ratings, which is perfect for clumsy hands or aspiring submarine captains. The 6.7-inch POLED display is a stunner. With 1.5K resolution, HDR10 Plus support, and a buttery 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling smoother than a jazz playlist. Outdoor visibility? A blinding 4,500 nits. Good luck hiding your TikTok addiction in broad daylight. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos round out the package, turning Netflix binges into immersive experiences. Let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip and up to 12 gigs RAM handle daily tasks like a pro. Multitasking? Seamless. Gaming? It depends. But fire up BGMI or Genshin Impact, the mid-range soul shows. BGMI caps at 60 FPS, Genshin Impact at 30 FPS, Call of Duty a respectable 55 FPS. So if you are a hardcore gamer, you might want to skip this one. The 50 megapixel main camera really shines in daylight, delivering crisp photos and solid 4K video. Though you might notice the occasional dip in frame quality during 4K recording. The 13 megapixel ultra-wide macro lens is fun for close-ups. You get a 32 megapixel front camera which is more than enough for your selfies. Software is where Motorola flexes. With Hello UI Android 15, it is a bloatware-free. With AI tricks like Catch Me Up, which summarizes your notifications, and Pay Attention, which is a real-time voice transcription. The 5500 mAh battery easily lasts a day, and 68-watt charging tops it up fast. So in conclusion, the Edge 60 Fusion is like a Swiss Army knife of mid-range phones. It's stylish, durable, and packed with just enough brains to impress. It nails all the basics: stellar display, clean software, and all-day battery, while shrugging off drops like they are nothing. At $21,000, it's a steal for design and durability alone. Plus, that too included charger. Chef's kiss. Motorola's officially back, baby.
I'm back.
So that's it for today, guys. Leave your opinions in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting reviews. See you again.